I am about to travel all across Europe, and I am going to need a travel credit card. I am going to look through American Express, Chase, and Capital One to see which card is going to be the best for my trip across Europe. You'll actually be shocked what ends up happening towards the end of this video. Let's hop on my laptop. We're going to start with Amex, and for everybody listening, I want to make a disclaimer. The welcome offers that are provided here are going to change depending on the time of year and when you guys look at these decisions as well, but these are all really good cards. The main ones that you guys all probably know are the green card, the gold card, and the platinum card. I'm going to be looking between the gold card and the platinum card. The green card just kind of popped up on my radar. I watched a few different YouTube videos about it, and my whole entire decision-making process is that this has the cheapest annual fee, and it's a well-rounded altogether travel card, and this might be an option. But the reason I'm pushing this off the list is because if I were to say yes to the green card, I would be saying no to the Sapphire preferred card, which is another one that we're going to have to be looking at right here, with number one, a lower annual fee and a higher welcome bonus. So it would not make sense at all, other than to get into the Amex family, to go with the green card if the preferred is one of the options. So in reality, I'm looking between the preferred, the gold, the platinum, and then finally the Venture X card, which is this one right here. The only problem with the Venture X is it comes at a $400 annual fee, and right off the bat, I think I'm going to eliminate this simply for the fact that I am not a huge Capital One member. I use the platinum card, but the main reason I would use this is the travel benefits and the lounge access, which I also get if I were going with the gold or the platinum card with American Express. Our final decision is going to come down between the Sapphire Preferred, 3x on dining, 2x on travel, and a $95 annual fee. This card seems pretty good all around. And right here, we can actually see that there are no foreign transaction fees. I'm honestly leaning the most towards the American Express Gold card. My only question then becomes, will I get approved? At the time of recording this video, these are my TransUnion Equifax scores, 647 and a 649. The chance of me getting approved for any of these cards is insanely low. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply for the American Express Gold card, as this seems to be the best option. Luckily for me, the welcome bonus for the American Express Gold card during this exact time of recording is 90,000 MR points. I'm going to fill out my information, my social security number, my income source is self-employed, and then finally we're just going to agree and submit the information. And just like that, guys, look at that. I am approved for the gold Amex card, which is insane. I haven't applied for a credit card in over a year. This is actually crazy. I was sitting here in the chair thinking I wasn't going to get approved, but I got approved. I will accept the card. Wow, this is crazy. This YouTube video I thought was going to be cut off by this point, and I was going to be like, all right, guys, I didn't get approved. There's just one singular problem. Right now, I am in traveling season of my life, meaning that I'm not actually at the address that I sent this card to. I am in New York, and the card is being arrived July 5th to Florida. What's up, guys? I went ahead and I added my new gold Amex card to my Apple Wallet. While my actual gold Amex is coming in the mail, I figured I would go ahead and buy myself an energy drink to test it out on my Apple Wallet. And sure enough, we got the energy drink. I am in shock. To be honest, my credit score is not the best. My income is insanely low. I'm 20 years old and I still got approved. This is going to be massively beneficial for all the traveling that I'm about to do, going into Europe and spending 3 to 6 months there. The Uber, lounge access, the upgrade flight, TSA pre-check, and all the other benefits that come with the American Express Gold card. I wanted to make this video, even though it's a little different than the usual first client stuff, because all of you guys out there will eventually need a credit card. And instead of using a beginner level credit card and not understanding the full perks and benefits, you will have access now to the information that I used to make a decision to get the American Express Gold card. Stay tuned, follow me, and if you have any questions about credit cards or anything, just call me 315-767-3199, 315-767-3199. I am not a financial advisor. I am not an accountant. I am not giving financial advice on this page. I am just showing you and documenting my life, my journey, and all the things that I'm doing to hopefully one day become successful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.